Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 5, chapter 4. So be sure to log into the module and do the work associated with this week. You have a video and a few interesting topics in regards to health maintenance organizations and preferred provider organizations, which I think will be of interest to you based on the chapter. And then of course you have your chapter 4 review questions, which are due by end of week. I wanted to talk a little bit about last week, APA research. A lot of people are struggling with finding topics related to what they want to study, so finding a legal research topic, and I want to point you in the right direction there, so hopefully this will help. I talked about Google Scholar in a different video that I made a while back, but I forgot to point out there's a little button right here that you can click called Case Law. So this is really interesting. It knows what state you're in, so I can click Washington courts or federal courts, or you can select courts from pretty much anywhere, any state, any circuit, which is really, really great. So I'm going to take a look at federal courts, and I'm going to look at, as you can see, I've already had some search pieces here from different students that have asked about healthcare. Within that, there's quite a bit of awesome information related to court cases regarding healthcare, and there's going to be a little description here in relation to what each case is about. Let's look at American Chiropractic versus Trigon Healthcare. So in this appeal, we consider whether Trigon Healthcare, Virginia's largest for-profit health insurance company, and its affiliated companies, collectively Trigon, were engaged in an anti-competitive conspiracy with medical doctors and medical associates whose purpose was to harm. So that's a really interesting case. So if you click on it, you can read all about it, and you can use this and talk about this case within your paper. If you want to look at a certain topic in relation to healthcare, so how about healthcare radiology and diagnostic? How about just radiology? Let's see what comes up there. Yeah, tons of stuff in regards to radiology. Jackson versus Professional Radiology Inc. It's an interesting one. Let's see what this says. You have to look at the opinion and then everything in relation to the course. So how about this? This person was injured in an automobile accident, taken to a hospital, and then give a payment, yada, yada, yada. So you can see there's a lot of great information in Google Scholar that you could find in relation to finding a legal research topic. Lots of interesting things. If you have a certain thing that you want to study, if you have a certain thing you want to write about, put that in the search bar and tons of information will pop up. That's really the easiest way to find a subject for your APA research paper. Hopefully this helps. Just scrolling back to chapter 4, be sure to do the work associated with it. And if you have any questions, please reach out. I'm happy to help you find more topics through Google Scholar about what you want to study or what you want to write about. So if you need anything in relation to that, just email me. Happy to set up a time to talk, or I'm happy to work with you on the side to figure out how to move forward. I appreciate all you're doing. I'm very thankful for the effort that everyone's putting into this course. Hopefully you have a good Memorial Day weekend. Try to take time Monday to relax a bit because I know school can be stressful. And if you need anything, of course, reach out pwilliams@pmi.edu. Have a great rest of the day, and I appreciate all you're doing.